This is where our list of the top 5 best stand mixers available for purchase this year comes in. As always, you can find all of the product links in the description below. And let us know which devices you'd want to see in our upcoming videos in the comments. Number 5. The KitchenAid Stand Mixer. This iconic piece of equipment has graced countertops and kitchens around the world for nearly a century, earning a reputation for its durability, versatility, and timeless design. With its origins dating back to the early 1900s, the KitchenAid stand mixer has evolved into a beloved staple for home cooks and professional chefs alike. A legacy of innovation. The story of the KitchenAid stand mixer begins in 1919 when the first model, known as the H5, was introduced by the Hobart Corporation. Designed for commercial use, this early incarnation of the mixer was an instant hit among professional bakers and chefs for its efficiency and performance. However, it wasn't until 1937 that the iconic design we recognize today was born, with the introduction of the Model K, which featured the distinctive tilt head design and iconic silhouette that remains largely unchanged to this day. Timeless design, an enduring quality. One of the most striking features of the KitchenAid stand mixer is its timeless design. With its sleek lines, robust construction, and signature color palette, the stand mixer is as much a work of art as it is a practical kitchen tool. Available in a range of vibrant colors, from classic Empire Red to contemporary matte black, the stand mixer adds a touch of elegance and personality to any kitchen. The KitchenAid stand mixer today. The KitchenAid stand mixer remains as popular as ever, beloved by home cooks, professional chefs, and culinary enthusiasts alike. With its timeless design, enduring quality, and unmatched versatility, it's no wonder that the stand mixer has become a fixture in kitchens around the world. Whether you're kneading dough, whipping cream, or making fresh pasta from scratch, the KitchenAid stand mixer is the ultimate tool for bringing your culinary creations to life. Number 4. The Dash Stand Mixer stands out as an indispensable appliance in any kitchen arsenal. Offering versatility, efficiency, and style, this mixer elevates your cooking and baking endeavors to new heights. Design and build quality. The Dash Stand Mixer boasts a sleek and compact design that seamlessly blends into any kitchen decor. Crafted with durable materials, it exudes reliability and sturdiness, promising longevity in your culinary adventures. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver, while its stable base ensures steady operation, even during vigorous mixing tasks. Powerful performance. Equipped with a robust motor, the Dash Stand Mixer delivers exceptional performance, effortlessly handling a variety of mixing tasks with precision and speed. From kneading dough for homemade bread to whipping up fluffy meringues, this mixer is designed to tackle any recipe with ease. Its versatile speed settings allow you to customize the mixing process according to your specific requirements, ensuring optimal results every time. Conclusion. The Dash Stand Mixer is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a culinary companion that empowers you to unleash your creativity and culinary prowess. With its durable construction, powerful performance, and versatility, it simplifies the mixing process and enhances the quality of your culinary creations. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a passionate home cook, this mixer is sure to become an indispensable tool in your kitchen arsenal, revolutionizing the way you cook and bake. Number 3. The CUSIMAX Dough Mixer. A versatile and efficient appliance designed to revolutionize your kitchen experience. The perfect blend of form and function at first glance, the CUSIMAX Dough Mixer impresses with its sleek and modern design. The tilt head construction offers easy access to the mixing bowl, while the stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. But beyond its aesthetic appeal lies a powerhouse of functionality. Unmatched performance. Equipped with a robust 800-watt motor, the CUSIMAX Dough Mixer tackles even the toughest dough with ease. Whether you're whipping up batches of bread, pizza dough, or decadent pastries, This mixer delivers consistent results every time. The variable speed control allows for precise adjustments, ensuring optimal mixing for a wide range of recipes. Enhanced convenience. One of the standout features of the CUSIMAX dough mixer is its versatility. In addition to its primary function as a dough mixer, it comes with a range of attachments that expand its capabilities. From whisking egg whites to kneading pasta dough, the included accessories make this appliance a true multitasker in the kitchen. Plus, all attachments are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Final thoughts. The CUSIMAX dough mixer is a game changer for anyone passionate about cooking and baking. With its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and user-friendly design, it empowers you to unleash your culinary creativity and take your creations to new heights. Whether you're kneading dough for a homemade loaf of bread or whipping up a batch of fluffy pancakes, this mixer is sure to become an indispensable tool in your kitchen arsenal. Number 2. The CUSIMAX 6.5 QT Stainless Mixer. A marvel of modern kitchen appliances designed to streamline your baking and cooking endeavors. With its impeccable construction, versatile features, and user-friendly design, this mixer is poised to become the cornerstone of your kitchen arsenal. Craftsmanship and durability. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the CUSIMAX mixer boasts durability that ensures longevity in your kitchen. Its sturdy construction not only guarantees resilience against the rigors of daily use, but also adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. The sleek and timeless design of the mixer complements any kitchen aesthetic, whether contemporary or classic, making it a focal point of admiration. Powerful performance. Equipped with a robust 800-watt motor, the CUSIMAX mixer delivers unparalleled performance to tackle a wide range of culinary tasks with ease. From kneading dough for artisanal bread to whipping up fluffy meringues, its powerful motor ensures consistent results every time. With 6 adjustable speeds and a pulse function, you have complete control over the mixing process, allowing you to achieve the perfect texture for your recipes. Conclusion. CUSIMAX 6.5 QT Stainless Mixer epitomizes the perfect marriage of form and function, offering unmatched performance, versatility, and durability for discerning home cooks and professional chefs alike. Whether you're whipping up a batch of decadent desserts or kneading dough for homemade bread, this mixer is sure to elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Invest in the Number 1. The Aucma Stand Mixer. A kitchen companion designed to elevate your baking endeavors to new heights. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the features, performance, and overall value of the Aucma Stand Mixer. Design and build quality. The Aucma Stand Mixer boasts a sleek and modern design with a robust construction that exudes durability. Its tilt head design allows for easy access to the mixing bowl and attachments, facilitating effortless operation and hassle-free ingredient additions. Crafted from high-quality materials, including stainless steel and ABS plastic, this stand mixer ensures longevity and reliability, making it a worthy investment for both amateur home bakers and seasoned professionals. Performance. Equipped with a powerful 660-watt motor and 6 optimized speed settings, the Aucma Stand Mixer offers impressive performance tailored to meet various baking needs. Whether whipping delicate meringues, kneading heavy doughs, or mixing batter for decadent cakes, this versatile appliance delivers consistent results with minimal effort. The planetary mixing action ensures thorough blending and even distribution of ingredients, resulting in perfectly textured and delicious treats every time. Final verdict. The Aucma Stand Mixer emerges as a standout choice for anyone in search of a reliable and efficient baking companion. With its robust construction, powerful performance, and user-friendly design, this stand mixer ticks all the boxes for both functionality and value. Whether you're whipping up batches of cookies, kneading bread dough, or preparing elaborate cakes, the Aucma Stand Mixer is sure to become an indispensable tool in your kitchen arsenal, helping you achieve culinary perfection with ease. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.